In this video, we will find the Schoology app and we'll log in so that we can access our course materials. Teachers, please play this video on your smartboard and pause periodically so that everyone has time to follow each step. The first thing for us to do is find the Schoology app on our home screen. It's an S with a blue circle, and it should be there automatically. If you don't see it, you can open up the App Store, type in Schoology, and download the app. Once you find the app, click on it so that you can open up Schoology for the first time. The very first time we open the app, we'll see this screen. Click on the first box that says Log in through your school, find your school or domain. Teachers, this would be an okay time to pause and make sure everyone sees this screen. Once we're all here, we can type in the school's area code, 40206, zip code, excuse me. And if you scroll down the list, you'll see there are two Sacred Heart Academies. One says former in parentheses, don't click that. The other just says Sacred Heart Academy, and it has a green dot over to the right. Once we all see this screen, we can select Sacred Heart Academy with the green dot. That's the active account. Everyone now find that and choose Sacred Heart Academy. Next, click on Log in through your school. At this stage, we can all sign in using our SHS account. Email or password, you can type in your regular email address, including at student.shslu.org. Then click on Next. Enter your password. Then click Next. You only have to go through this sign-in process once. We need to approve authorization, so click the blue Approve button. Notifications are generally a good thing because they help us keep track of all of our course information, so click Allow. Okay, when you first open Schoology, you'll see a main screen like this that has updates from various classes or clubs you may be involved in. To get into the courses, the actual classes, you need to click on the three lines in the top left corner. This icon, if you can see it graying there in the top left corner, is how we access the menu. What I want to show you first is courses. If you click the Courses tab, now you'll see all of the courses that you're enrolled in. You can select any of these to access the course materials for that class. Let's click on Pre-Cal. Here, you have access to all of the folders and information for that course. If I click on the folder Chapter 1, it'll bring up PDF files that I could import to Notability to use for my course. Let's go to another course. I click the three lines in the top left corner, then I choose IB Physics. You can see various course materials here, including sample assignment, sample quiz. If you click on one of these, you can access the attachments, you can read the instructions, and you can produce the work that your teacher has asked. So this is how we navigate Schoology. Those three lines in the top left corner are how you get back and forth between your classes. If you want to see a different screen, there's a back arrow just to the left of courses. Let me click that back arrow here, which is highlighting in blue. Here I can click on Home to go back to the original home screen. I can click on Notifications, although you'll generally go straight to your course. I can click on Requests. You have no requests. For the most part, you'll only be clicking on courses or groups if you want to see some of the groups that you have access to. One important final note. Grades is not something that you want to be checking. You cannot see your official grades here in Schoology. To see your official grades, you have to go into PowerSchool by logging in at classroom.powerschool.com. That process is the same as before. Once you're into PowerSchool, you would click the rocket icon, then you would click Current Grades and Attendance. That's how you see your official grades in PowerSchool. So you need to click the rocket icon. You can't go accessing grades from here. Those grades will not be official. They won't be accurate.